to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep.
Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. As you have kind of seen, I've been on a totally cool weight loss journey. I've been posting a lot of vlogs and such. So I am just like a post-gym hot mess, basically. This is a very casual video just to share with you guys a few things that I picked up. One is Fabletics, which I'm really excited to talk about and try on because I'm yet to do so. In Old Navy, I picked up some stuff and I want to share it with you, and I thought it'd be cool to do this small video hauling these items. It's not a lot, I'll be honest, but I thought it's some sort of content to get out to you guys, and I really want to, if Fabletics works well, I really want to try more stuff. So I'm really hopeful that this stuff is gonna be great. I'm really hopeful for the Old Navy stuff because, oh my god, I'm so excited. So let's jump into this.
Captured in the highlights, just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drown in our fights.
Hey guys, okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna piece this together, but clearly I'm wearing something different now, right? Because I did my try-ons and now I'm here filming my little talk through the try-ons. So bear with me, but it's just how it happened. And I could not take this off because I just want to hug myself. It's so comfortable. So anyways, let's jump into this. I am in love. Absolutely in love with this sweater. This is from Old Navy. You're seeing the set here. It is fantastic. It is so comfy. It is so warm. I feel like I'm being hugged by a giant teddy bear. It's just so perfect. I think my sister had seen Carly Bible, post about it, and well, clearly we had to have it, right? Because we went to the store and we felt it and it was like butter, and I was like, oh, but I didn't want to pay full price, so I waited, and they were on sale this past weekend, so your girl got two sets. So I got this lovely beige, the top and the bottom, and this fantastic blue top and bottom for the price of one set, basically. So guys, you need to check out Old Navy for their like Sherpa, for their just warm fuzzy sweaters and stuff. So bomb.com, like check it out. Just empty your bank account basically, so I apologize, but they're just fantastic. Like for the price, it is fantastic, and you cannot tell me otherwise because they are fantastic. Now moving on to Fabletics, because let's be real, we're all here for the athletic wear, athleisure if you will. So I recently decided to become a member because I am in the search for a sports bra. I'm actually wearing the one that you're seeing right now, and it's pretty fantastic. I actually think when I first took it out of the packaging and everything, I was kind of like hesitant, and now having it on and like feeling it on my body, I got this in an extra large, by the way. Having it on my body, it just feels really good. And now I understand why all the reviews were excelente, because it is excellent. Like, it is so good. When it comes to sports bras, I really like something that is going to hold the girls in. I have fairly large girls. They have deflated since I've been losing some weight. About 7 inches have gone. So, I mean, they're still decent size, and I still like a lot of compression and hold. So I was a little nervous. However, this is supposed to be high impact, and I definitely think it could do the job. Is it the best? No, my Victoria's Secret ones I think are a little bit better. However, Victoria's Secret has decided to only carry one kind of sports bra in store. So, at least the store by me. And some stores don't even carry sports bras anymore. So that's a whole nother topic that I don't even want to get into because it makes me so mad. And if I order online, it gets messy because I have to pay in American dollars and whatever. So anyways, Fabletics came through with this sports bra. I love, love, love the back. You might be able to see the little rose gold. So all the clasps are actually rose gold, which I think is so cute. Such a nice little touch. And I do feel very supported and comfortable in this. Like, really comfortable. Like, I would want a second one of these because it's really good. So, that being said, go get you one. I'll have them linked all down below. I'll even have the sweaters linked for you guys. And then I got 2 pairs of the pants because, you know, when you sign up, or when you sign up to be a member, you get the 2 for $24, I think, deal. Whatever. So I was like, okay, I guess so. Count me in. So I got these. These are because they don't have a pocket on the side. And I really wanted ones with pockets on the side, but I think the problem with the ones that they have right now that have the pocket on the side, they have a zipper at the ankle. And I'm not the biggest fan of that, so that's why I ended up with these. These are the Powerhold, also extra large. What I will say is that they have a fairly decent pocket inside. These are in the just like black Powerhold. I think these are the 7/8. Yeah, 7/8. And I got these, in an extra large, and they fit perfectly. I got them in an extra large. I probably could have even got an XXL, guys, but with my weight loss and such, I didn't want to do that. And I've noticed like a lot of my leggings that I have right now seem to be riding down. With that is if you size down in your leggings, because you're most likely, so when your leggings are rolling down, you're most likely wearing the wrong size for you. So you try and size down, and if it hugs you better at the waist, you got a winner. It's not gonna roll as much. So that's what I did with these, and they fit. They look really good. I really like them. I don't really have any complaints. So this pair, I love them. They are super cute. I love this detail at the back. Again, extra large, nice pocket. They're also the Powerhold 7/8. They're really cute and they fit really well. But I don't know if it's because of the color. The fabric kind of feels different even. Like, I don't know. They should be the same. But something is different about these ones because they were a bit see-through. So, I don't know if it's the underwear I was wearing because I was just trying it on. I didn't choose any specific underwear. They are a bit see-through on me. It could be that, you know, once I lose a bit of weight and stuff, it's not as tight on my hip area and it won't be as see-through. I don't know, but just a forewarning that I found them a bit see-through. Maybe I would have to size up in colors, but I think they fit great. But yeah, otherwise they fit great. I didn't do a bend over test in these, but I did notice in my like hip area where my underwear sit on my hip, I could see my underwear, which is not a big deal for me because I normally wear long sleeve exercise shirts to the gym. I don't typically just wear a sports bra or anything like that. So it doesn't really bother me. It'll be covered and it wasn't super noticeable. So I'm good with that, and I'd probably avoid these on leg day. But other than that, they're really comfortable. They're really cute. I'm actually quite impressed with Fabletics. I must say, I was very skeptical for a very long time. Haven't ordered till now. I finally bit the bullet. And I'm really happy I did. And I think I will remain a VIP, whatever it is. I actually can't wait to order more stuff. Definitely think I'm going to be getting another one of these. I want to try more of their sports bras and see how I'm enjoying them. If you've tried any of their sports bras, pants, any of this stuff, if there's any like must-haves from Fabletics, hit me down in the comments and let me know because I would love to know. I have to pick up my kids in 10 minutes. So I am going to say a farewell to everybody. I will talk to you real soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. So that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know, like I said, down below if you have any Fabletics must-haves, and definitely check out Old Navy, definitely for their like fuzzy, comfy attire, and I will talk to you real soon in my next video. Thank you guys for all your support, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!